It was not our choice to left our country, but it's life, and destiny sometimes can be cruel. My name is Yevheniia, and today I will tell you my story. I grew up in Kiev, and for 19 years I lived there. I studied at the university as an interior designer. I've been living in Switzerland for 1 year. I'm in Switzerland because the war began on 24th February in Ukraine. My mother and I, we decided to leave the capital. My relatives, my mother and me, we ended up in occupied territory. And sometimes they bombed too hard. And I already thought that this is the end and we will all die. After 2 weeks, we left the Warsaw with 2 cars. In one was my uncle with another family with 2 children, and in the other one was my aunt, my mother, me, 3 children, 2 dogs, 3 cats, and many things. It was chaos. We went to Switzerland, and then my mother and me, we settled in this hostel, and I'm here. I was angry, and I'm still angry. But I've been living here in this hostel with 12 women who support me and who give me good feelings. And I'm really grateful. I'm dreaming to be an interior designer. And I'm really happy that I can learn something new in IKEA. I'm changed during this time. I become to be more mature and bolder. The word refugee makes feel me more stronger, like the hardest, difficult, stay behind. I know that now I'm saved. Now I'm refuge. That's right. But I learn German, I learn languages, I learn new mentality, and I feel myself that I can do it. I still can love. I still can accept. And I really worried about my future, about my loved ones, but I keep going. Every country can be in this situation. Every country, and you're not protect of it all the time. You can't control it. We need to be more kind, and we need to accept all people, because we live in one world. We all one system of this world, and I think we need to support each other because we're people. And people should be kind. People should be kind.